38 po ang classified ngayon as red category areas. Lahat ng yan po yung 38 nasa Bangsamoro. Ang napansin po nating areas na may spike, hindi ang Sulu. Well, Sulu wala na. Hindi po ang Tawi-Tawi or Basilan o kahit yung Lanao kung hindi sa Maguindanao. And in Cotabato City. It so happened na nandun yung seat of power also of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority. Nandun din po yung ating parliament. So may pagtaas po dyan, and that's why we are even asking now the PNP for an immediate reclassification. Baka po kasi yung dating orange naging red na. O baka kinakailangan may ilagay under Comelec control. So far, wala po tayong area or areas under Comelec control. Red category area lang po, meaning to say, because of their history, because of the recent violence that happened in the area, kaya po sila naging red category area. So hinihintay po natin yung assessment pa ng PNP. In the final analysis, the PNP is the one recommending to Comelec as to which area is to be placed under Comelec control or areas of serious concern, yung red categories, or pwedeng i-downgrade from red naging green. Kasi wala naman palang problema na.